Hi guys, welcome to Untitled Crypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll cover what is the current status of Ethereum 2.0, where can Dogecoin be used in the Boring Company opened in Las Vegas, what is the current situation of Voyager Digital, and the update of the ProShares Bitcoin short ETF. Also the latest news and market movement. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Many thanks to you all. Ethereum is a step closer to the merge. It's long away moving to a POS blockchain. There's another one of its testnets, supposedly executed its own merge and made the switch to proof of stake. Testnet allows those who are using blockchain to try out the new tech before it launches on its main network, or undergoes an upgrade. This is especially important for public networks such as Ethereum. In this case, developer can ensure upgrades work smoothly and billions in funds aren't lost. After the two testnets are made, the next test will take place at Goerli testnet. Then the Ethereum mainnet moves across, which means the entire network will securely use a proof-of-stake blockchain. This process has been taking a while, even though Ethereum developer has been promising a move to POS for years, but the process has suffered several delays. The current expected date of the merge being completed will be the end of this year. To me, it's reasonable that the development team is expecting delays. According to the market situation now, they do need to spend more time to do more testings. The Boring Company opened a transit station in Las Vegas and announced Dogecoin as a new payment method for using the Vegas loop system. The founder of the Boring Company and the Tesla CEO Elon Musk said in a tweet that they're supporting Doge wherever possible. The Las Vegas Convention Center Loop has 3 different stations at Exhibition Hall within the Las Vegas Convention Center, and will one day provide an underground connection to Resort World Las Vegas. Based on the destination, the travel time using the tunnel system varies between 1 and 4 minutes. It consists of a 1.7 miles of tunnel and was built within just a year. The tunnel system reduced a cross-campus journey that typically takes 45 minutes of walking to around 2. And according to the company website, it costs around $47 million to build. Can't wait for this epidemic to be over, so I'll be able to experience in Vegas. The case of the borrower bailing out its lender doesn't happen often, especially when there's hundreds of millions of dollars involved. The firm, founded by the crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, last month extended a $500 million line of credit to crypto broker Voyager Digital. According to Voyager's Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing, itself owes the company $377 million. It's worth pointing out that Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of the CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, has a vested interest in seeing Voyager made whole. Seems like he's currently into something deeper than he expected. After that, Voyager was suspended from trading on Toronto Stock Exchange, so that Canadian regulator will have time to review the company's listing requirements. Voyager has a market capitalization of over $51 million. Its share price fell by 27% to $0.26 in 5 trading days leading up to the delisting. The company's shares are down by over 99% since peak around March last year. Voyager CEO Stephen Ehrlich cited in a tweet that 3AC's collapse was one of the reasons for Voyager's need to restructure. Voyager disclosed that last month it had $661 million exposure to 3AC, which became insolvent after failing to meet margin calls from multiple investors. In this case, based on the damage caused, the restructure will definitely take a while. Remember the inverse ETF that recently came out from ProShares I talked about? The ProShares Bitcoin short ETF grew by 306% last week, firmly cementing its place as the second largest Bitcoin ETF in the United States. The short exposure for BITI on June 27th was just 937 Bitcoins, and now the current short exposure is equivalent to 3,811 Bitcoins. ETF provide investor with indirect exposure to an underlying asset, which can be very useful when investing in commodities or cryptocurrencies. Currently, the only Bitcoin ETF product approved in the US are future-based. This means they are backed up by future contracts. In an easier way of explaining this, the cash settles bets on what Bitcoin price will be in the future instead of the current price. And the difference between a spot-based ETF is backed up by real Bitcoins. As I mentioned before, it keeps on getting rejected by the Security and Exchange Commission based on the regulatory issues. So based on the current ETF situation, we can determine the investor's flow. In this case, we can get a better idea of the market situation. Now, let me explain what is Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to solve the problem of slow transaction rate, limited throughput, and poor compatibility. It's a smart contract capable, public proof of stake blockchain that aims to act as a community run cloud computing platform. Near was launched in the year 2020 as a decentralized cloud infrastructure to host decentralized application dApps. Near offers cross-chain interoperability through the Rainbow Bridge and a layer 2 solution called Aurora. Users can bridge ERC20 tokens and assets from the Ethereum blockchain to the Near Protocol network, which will give them access to a higher throughput and a lower transaction fee. The question is, how does it work? Near is a native token of the Near Protocol. It's used for paying transactions and data storage fees. Holders can also stake their token on Near wallet to receive rewards or use them to vote for governance proposal. Near is a community-run cloud infrastructure for development and operation of the decentralized applications. It offers a characteristic of the both decentralized database and a serverless computation platform. It's a complicated technology, only has one objective, which is making it easier for engineers and innovators to create product that safeguards high-value assets. Near is designed to give end user with simple interactions, scale capacity over millions of devices, and is fundamentally a platform for hosting apps that have access to a shared and secure pool of money, identity, and data for users. Now, let's check out the market movement. This is the daily candlestick chart of Near. As we can see, Near dropped around 86% from high to low, and based on the current market situation, it's still consolidating like other altcoins. Even though a lot of crypto investors are calling the bottom now, but I personally don't think it's a bottom just yet. So let's be patient and wait at least until the next interest hike. As a price forecast, Near can reach close to $10 by the end of this year, which is currently trading around 3.5, and can go up to $20 within the year 2024. If you can hold it till the year 2030, there's a chance that it can reach close to $50. So if you think Near will be a good investment for you, set up a smaller portion of your capital and leave it alone for at least a year or two. This is a daily candlestick chart of Ethereum. As we can see, Ethereum created a pattern of bearish pennants. It might hit the purchase zone on top again and wait for a drop to break through the uptrend line, then create a rapid drop. For short-term traders, we can enter the short position after it breaks, then cash out when it hits a previous low 878, then wait for another opportunity. And this is the hourly candlestick chart of Ethereum. We can see that the recovery from the drop is narrowing within the tunnel. This means the recovery phase might be over pretty soon. Of course, another strategy we can use is we can also trade within these intervals in the tunnel, but make sure you manage your leverage and stop loss well. And keep in mind that don't use the same mindset you trade Bitcoin with Ethereum. Overall, we can see a lot of chain reactions going on in the current crypto market. A lot of companies are dragged down by each other, even though we're seeing some progress for some sectors, but a lot of things are still not finalized. During the current market prospect, we should observe at least until the next interest hike. Thank you for watching Untitled Crypto. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.